So, und jetzt hier ein Video. XRP Las Vegas 2023, ich glaube, das war vor 2 Monaten, 3 Monaten. Interoperability, XRP Ledger, Payments, J from Spenderbits. Gönnt's euch einfach, Leute, gönnt's euch.
Coins and CBDCs. Now, before we bring on Jay from Spendabits up on stage, we've got someone very exciting who's going to come up and welcome Jay on. And so, without any further ado, let's give it up for John Deaton.
Hey.
John Deaton.
Yeah. All right, so my name's John Deaton, and I fucking love everyone in this room and everyone watching online. I've been around a lot of crypto communities, and I can assure you that no crypto community deserves financial freedom more than the people in this room. I've also been to Bitcoin conferences, and they ain't got shit on you. Let me just tell you that right now. Now, I'm gonna be up soon later, but why am I up here talking about technology? Because you don't know me as a technology, and quite frankly, I'm a moron when it comes to technology. But when I got into this case, I learned what you learned.
Ja, also er hat auch, wo er in diesen Space rein ist, das gelernt, was wir gelernt haben. Ja, also es ist alles ein Prozess.
I learned that 3 Bitcoin developers set out to develop a better Bitcoin.
Ja, und die Programmierer möchten natürlich da draußen einen besseren Bitcoin programmieren.
That was those 3 developers, Jed McCaleb, Arthur Brittle, and Joel Katz, otherwise known as Dave
Tja, die Namen kennen wir von XRPL.
Schwartz. And they did, I agree with Bitcoin Maxis on one thing. I agree that Bitcoin's a better version of gold.
Ja, also er gibt Bitcoin Maxis recht. Bitcoin ist eine bessere Version von Gold. Und jetzt sagt er halt dann, und XRP ist eine bessere Version von Bitcoin.
Than gold. But I also tell them XRP is a better version of Bitcoin than Bitcoin. All right? So, I learned though, I was trying to find a developer who had no connection to Ripple. No money from Ripple, didn't know Ripple, because I needed somebody to show to the court that this isn't just about Ripple, it's about the technology, because it's...
Ja, richtig geile Worte, richtig geile Worte. Also er wollte einfach jemanden finden, einen Programmierer, Developer, die nichts mit Ripple zu tun haben. Nichts von Ripple bekommen haben an Geld. Und Ripple nicht mal weiß, dass sie existieren. Weil er, Johnny Deaton, Gericht zeigen wollte, dass es hier um die Technologie geht. Mega.
It's great that Brad came last night and all that, but we're here because of the technology. And I came across this developer out of Canada. And he had this little company, this app called Spendabits. And the first thing I said is, you got any connection to Ripple? John, they don't even know I exist.
Ja, also die von Spendabits haben 0 Connections zu Ripple gehabt. 0.
And I said, well, what Spendabits do? He said, well, I want to fulfill Satoshi Nakamoto's vision. I want to be able to spend Bitcoin. I said, but don't they have that thing called Lightning? And he kind of laughed at me, and he's like, you really don't know shit about technology, do you?
Ja. Ja, aber hast du schon von Lightning gehört? Bro, du weißt ja gar nichts über Technologie. Seht ihr? Vergiss Lightning. Vergiss es einfach.
And I said, well, isn't that soft? And he's like, no. And so he decided that he was going to take the XRP ledger and utilize it to fulfill the vision of Satoshi Nakamoto. Now, I don't know who Satoshi is. Craig Wright claims to be Satoshi. DAI and others has helped us learn about those 4 people that were interviewed by the NSA for Satoshi. And I really don't give a shit. But I would tell you, the man you're about to meet, in my mind, is today's Satoshi Nakamoto, and you'll see why. We're a little bit behind schedule, but he's going to be able to demonstrate his success. And just so you know, he won the CBDC Interoperability Challenge that Ripple put out. He won.
Ja, und er hat halt dann danach Ripples Challenge gewonnen, ja, vor allen anderen. Ja, mehr wie 500 Teilnehmer und er hat halt mit Spenderbits halt da alles gewonnen.
Won it out of everyone. So, today's Satoshi Nakamoto, my good friend Jay. And let me say, I'm a believer in transparency. So, Jay has said to me, when he's ready to go to seed investment, he's going to let me be one of his first investors. So I want to throw that out there. I love you more.
Brad Kimes to invited me here. So yeah, I've been working in the IT space from more than 10 years now, mainly as DevOps, project management, all the stuff. I came across XRP Ledger in 2019. I saw the problem in Bitcoin, wanted to solve this, look at it at Lightning Network.
Ja, er hat das Lightning Network sich angeschaut, er hat das Problem bei Bitcoin gesehen.
Network, really come to the conclusion that it's not going to work out because of the hopping mechanism they have in place. So looked at that the XRPL, read the reference guide along with our tech guru that they are, came to the conclusion that okay, this is what we need to take a step at and start building on it. So we started building in 2019. We was in the Play Store in 2020 September. We got stuck in Canada because we got regulated by FinTrack as a MSB. So anywhere we have to go, we have to first get the legal paperwork done in order to get live. Hence the reason we are not,
Ja, also sie hatten auf jeden Fall viele Schwierigkeiten in Kanada, logischerweise regulatorische Schwierigkeiten und so weiter. Es wird einem überall krass. Trotzdem, Spenderbits. Richtig geil.
Not out of Canada. But we are working on it. We have put some mechanism in that we, if the customer goes to the merchant and then they really didn't like the the stuff they are buying, so the merchant will be able to reject that payment and the refund should go through. So that.
Das ist halt auch noch ultra krass geil. Ja. Du kaufst dir ein paar Schuhe, ja, über Spenderbits und XRPL, ja, mit Bitcoin. Erstens mal günstig, schnell, da, perfekt. Aber dann, diese Schuhe sind doch nicht mein Fall. Ich möchte sie zurückgeben. Und dann kannst du die Transaktion rückgängig machen, Alter. Es wird uns alles gleich gezeigt.
I'm gonna be demonstrating today. Okay, so this is the the app you can see on the screen. I hope you can all guys can see the screen, right? So I'm gonna be opening up the app. This is the CBDC version that we won the hackathon in.
Ja, also mit dieser App haben sie auch das Hackathon von Ripple gewonnen.
So I'll just give you just a walkthrough of the app. So if you can see, I have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Pound, Euro, USD. Basically, it's a multi-currency app on the XRPL. And then on the side, you can see the balances in. And if you go action deposit and click on the Bitcoin, you will see that this is connected with the Bitcoin mainnet. So anything you deposit will route through Bitcoin mainnet ultimately.
Ja, also alles, was du hier wird auch über das Bitcoin-Netzwerk hier, Network Bitcoin, laufen.
Get settled on the XRPL. This is where XRPL will issue you the IOU, and then you will be able to spend that IOU with the merchants.
Ja, und wird dann über das XRP Ledger gesettelt. Ja, Interoperabilität. Ja.
So I'll just open up the merchant portal. So this is the portal that we have created. All you need to do is, this is specifically made for retail stores, liquor, grocery store, or
Also dieser Dashboard ist dann praktisch für Retail gedacht.
All those retail stores. So just sign up on this, and then we will issue you a paystring ID. All you need to do is just take a printout of this QR code, put it anywhere on your shop, and then once a customer comes in, all they're gonna do is, they're gonna open up the app. Sorry, it's gonna be multi-process. So click on the pay now, and then select Bitcoin, scan the QR code. I'm gonna be scanning this, and I'm gonna be putting, let's say, 0.0051 Bitcoin. So immediately you will see I get 6 offer from the XRPL DEX. I can settle the transaction with Bitcoin, Canadian.
Ja, jetzt kannst du hier halt aussuchen, in was du zahlen. Bitcoin, Canadian Dollar, Euro, US-Dollar, Pound Sterling.
Euro, Pound, or USD. So I'm gonna be selecting US dollar. I'm gonna get pay now.
Er hat jetzt hier US-Dollar.
Now, if you're a production user, you will get a OTP, one-time pass code, on your SMS. But since this is a testnet environment, the OTP setup is in the email. So now the transaction has been submitted over the XRPL and it has been settled. Now let's see on the merchant end. So the transaction has been completed, and you can see the details on the XRPL Public Explorer.
Das war's.
Now you can see.
Leute, das war's. Du hast Bitcoin versendet. Hier. Sender, Spend 10 US-Dollar, Delivered Amount in BTC, 0,00051 BTC, XRPL-Fee, 10 Drops, Leute. 10 beschissene Drops. Und du hast BTC in Sekunden, versendet. Mega Applaus, Alter. So geil. Und du musst nichts drin lassen, einfrieren sozusagen, wie bei Lightning. Meine Fresse.
See, merchant had received Bitcoin, but the customer spent USD, and the cost was 0.0001 XRP.
Ja, amazing. Absolut amazing. Ja, und nur weil solche Spasten wie Bitcoin Maxis und Sektenanführer das halt eben nicht möchten, weil es über XRPL läuft, redet man sowas klein. Leute, 1:1, was möchten die hier? XRPL ist aber nicht dezentral. Wer sagt das? Du? Okay, dann passt's.
Now let's say the customer bought some sandwich, he doesn't like it.
Und auch wenn, es wird ja alles trotzdem auch über das Bitcoin-Netzwerk abgewickelt. Also.
You want a refund? So I'm going to go in the transaction. I'll be initiating a refund over here. So I'm going to be clicking over here, initiate refund. Immediately it will capture the value. I'm just going to put some remarks in.
Ja, und hier ist halt Initiation Refund. Ja, also er möchte es jetzt zurückhaben, weil er möchte doch nicht das kaufen.
Passphrase. Just a sec. By the way, this merchant portal is also non-custodial. We hand over the secret keys to the merchant so they can be in charge of their funds.
Ja, also non-custodial Wallet. Du bist der Herr über deine Funds. Sowas solltet ihr natürlich nicht machen. Aber es ist ja nur zu Testzwecken hier.
Now the platform will send the OTP request. Again, it will come into my cell phone.
Hier nochmal deinen Code bestätigen. Ihr wisst ja, doppelt gemoppelt.
You go 472. And that's it. So now the transaction will be again submitted over the XRPL. The refund has been issued and it will reflect back into the app that you got a refund back.
Und jetzt bekommst du deine $10 hier oder 0,00, was weiß ich, 5 BTCs zurück.
Right here you can see the refund has been completed over here. This one.
Und da ist es.
Even this one you can validate
Fertig.
on the public ledger that the refund has been processed. So that's pretty much it from the demo point of view. Actually, we are now enhancing this solution and integrating this solution with Flare so that this app and the platform achieve the highest level of decentralization.
Ja, und das wird dann auch noch mit Flare Finance kombiniert und dann die höchste Dezentralität halt genießen und Interoperabilitätslösung. Das wird heftig, Leute.
That means right now as a counterparty, Spendabits gets involved, but once we go live with the Flare will make sure that we get out of the system as a counterparty risk and then everything works as Satoshi envisioned. So that
Und so wird dieses Zentrale dann nochmal rausgehauen und er hat selber gesagt, und dann sollte es so laufen, wie Satoshi sich das vorgestellt hat.
Implementation will be live within this month or the next. We are working with the Flare team behind the scenes for that implementation.
Ich kann es kaum erwarten, ohne Scheiß. Also ich werde nur Spendabits benutzen, ohne Witz. Also alles, was möglich ist, Spendabits.
Thank you. Any question? Thank you.
XRP hat hier einer gefragt und ja, natürlich, es läuft ja über XRP Ledger. XRP untermauert das Hauptbuch, ja. Bei jeder Transaktion wirst du XRP brauchen. Fertig.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays,